everyone! So I'm kind of in my normal space, but also not in my normal space. My normal space is a little bit over here. But in today's video, I am doing a much needed and much talked about beauty room declutter. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, how are you? You may not know that my filming space is also the master bedroom, so I've kind of carved out a little filming zone for myself and, well, little. I don't know about that, Rachel. There's a lot of makeup in here. But it has been a source of stress and anxiety for me. Again, it's makeup, it's not that deep, but the chaos and the mess really affect me. And I can't deal with the mess anymore. I just want it gone. I feel lighter, my head feels clear when my spaces are decluttered, and I feel like I have a handle on where everything is. Not everything is gonna be decluttered in this video because I cannot make this video 100 years long. But I think what I might do is I will take some of the key categories. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. But actually sit down at their drawers, go through all of the makeup, and just pick out the products that I wanna keep and what I don't wanna keep, and just do it like right there. And we're gonna get to we're gonna go right into these drawers and deal with this chaos. You know how I do like those haul updates? I was thinking of doing like a beauty room update and share with you guys after I've kind of lived with the new organizational systems for a while, sit down and show you guys what's worked for me, what hasn't, if I've kept up with the organization. This will also force me to actually, you know, be organized. Click the little thumbs up button and subscribe, and click the little notification bell so you don't miss out when new videos go live. And without further ado, let's get into this declutter. Good morning, guys. So today is day one of the giant much needed declutter. So first of all, you can see, well, obviously none of this is supposed to be here. It's all supposed to be in here, but it doesn't end up there. And I have to figure out why. Part of the reason is that there's just too much of it, and I get so busy doing other stuff that I just don't get around to actually like cleaning this up. I have shoes down here. So this unit right here, I actually originally had it over here where all my lights and everything are. It's facing our bed. I didn't want it to be like overflowing with tons of makeup, and I also didn't want to be able to see all the makeup. I don't like clear bins. I don't like being able to see it, but I don't have labels on here, which is something I want to fix, and maybe change these knobs. I don't know. But when I got it, my thought was, oh, I could put all of my palettes in here. Any new incoming stuff could go in there. And then these drawers can house any upcoming like video content pieces. Cause sometimes I'll get products or products don't work for me or something. And then I'll put them like in these drawers, and that's where they'll go so that I don't lose them in and amongst this chaos, because you know, you best believe that has happened before. And then down here, this is all, again, all incoming stuff. So it was supposed to be drugstore, high end, and then other kind of indie brand stuff that I can get like online. And then I had another bin over there, but this is actually, that's for a giveaway. But the other bin is lost somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's over there. It is housing more high-end makeup. And this goes up on my desk of things that I need to try. Ooh, coffee. Forgot about that. Grab that. Then moving on to these other drawers. So these are right behind me where I film. And this is where all of the rest of my collection goes. So I started with that one over there, and I was like, it can't get bigger than that. And then I got this one, and I was like, okay, it can't get bigger than those two. And then I got all this, and then I got this. I feel like that's enough. So these drawers here, my original system, this is supposed to be all new stuff that I have tried. These haven't been labeled, so again, it's just sort of like these random products, and I forget that they're in here constantly. So I'm always like sifting through here, and I'm like, where are the products? But they're over here. And then these beautiful drawers. So this was my first attempt at sort of organizing, and I was super excited about it. So I had all of the drawers, I labeled them all, and I stole my dad's label maker. He finally has it back 6 months later. Based on what I had a lot of, so like I had a lot of, mostly I just had a lot of high-end primers, so I had to make separate drawers for primers. But then things like concealers and color correctors, I use these like little dividers to kind of cut the space in half. And this has sort of been the way that I have been organizing all of my makeup. And then sometimes with things like setting products, like sprays or powders, it's drugstore on one side and high-end on the other, and that's been a way of utilizing the space a little bit better. But like you guys can see over here, this is all lip products, separated by color and then divided by drugstore and high-end. No one needs this many drawers of lip products. It's gotten to the point that this has given up. My divider it's given up. So I think right now I'm going to set up my camera. We are going to go through and we're going to start decluttering all of this stuff, and we'll see where we end up. So I am currently sorting. I have products that I really want to try, or they're products that I own and am using. And then I have some skincare stuff, some recycling, products that are either going to go into giveaways or I haven't swatched, and products that I have swatched and I'm not keeping. I have some e.l.f. products in here. Oh, I love these charcoal under eye masks. These are fantastic. I'm going to put them in this bin to go into my skincare stuff. If you want to see all my skincare, you can go and check out the video. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. My big bathroom declutter. This is a primer mask. I've never tried this before, but I've been really curious about it. So I'm going to keep that, check it out, and let's comb through all of this now. Seriously though, guys, this is like, I've been waiting to do this for so long. Like, you guys know, you've been watching all my videos, like, oh, this is so needed for my own mental clarity and anxiety. I need this so bad. Okay, so we've done some sorting. I have some things for some giveaways, which is exciting, and some skincare, some stuff that should go in my drawers, or at least for now anyway. And then I'm gonna attack these drawers and bins in here, and we'll just see where I'm at after that. But I feel like I've made some pretty good progress. Yeah, Real Housewives there in the background. Like, honestly, sometimes in these drawers, like, I don't even remember if I've talked about the products or not. And I don't even know what video I had in mind for them. So I feel like I just need to kind of start fresh. And then these bins I'm really nervous about. Even though I did that giant palette declutter, I still have so many, and that's just like completely unnecessary. So yeah, that is going to be my next point after I get into all of this stuff. This is my lash drawer, guys, and I feel like I have so many beautiful, beautiful lashes in here that I don't actually get around to using. A lot of them are just too thick and they just don't look good on my eyes, but I'm gonna have to like cull this a little bit more. I tried once, but didn't do a good enough job. All right, I managed to like take it down a notch, which was awesome. These are some of the ones that I am keeping. And now to put them all back. Okay guys, we are getting into all of the palettes and everything. This is my second bin of palettes that I'm going through. Big pile of donations to friends and family. And I got another box going for any giveaways and stuff and charity. Like, I feel good. Like, I was worried that I was gonna feel really stressed out and everything, but so far it's been really cathartic, I guess, kind of purging it. Like, don't get me wrong, like, the fact that I'm even keeping all this is slightly disturbing, but I'm making really good progress and I feel really good about it. So I'm gonna finish up all of these palettes and everything, and I'm just gonna see where we're at. And I think that's where I'm going to leave it tonight. I'll be back tomorrow to do a little bit more of the cleaning and purging. So I will see you guys tomorrow. So now we're on day 2 of the declutter. So I have my bright light over there, probably blinding me a little bit. But now I'm gonna go into some of these drawers right here and get these a little bit organized, and just kind of see what's even, like, look at this. Look how many like brush heads and like brushes and things that I have in here. Is just collecting. I haven't used them in a while. So anyway, I just kind of want to go through here and get a kind of a lay of the land before I get into any of the other stuff. But like, look at this. I was just like going through here and trying to decide if maybe I did like a primers declutter, like an actual sit down with you guys and go through this drawer, because this is obnoxious. But yeah, let's get into this tall standing unit. So here's just a bunch of newer makeup, but the thing is that I would have it in here and then I wouldn't update it and then relocate it to the other drawers when it's no longer considered new. Let's see if I can get this down to like a manageable number. Okay, I feel like I made some good progress there, but a lot of these are like, ooh, I haven't tried this one, or ooh, I want to use this one again and see how long wearing it is, and just, you know, stuff like that. I have to play around with some stuff. Guys, look at all my empty drawers. This is so exciting. Where are you? What is this, Z palette? Get out of here. Not this one, but this one is organized now. Do I know what I'm gonna do with all these empty drawers? I do not, but it feels good. I told you guys, I am not messing around. I had to put one of my highlights into the garbage because it broke and I had entirely forgotten about it. So now my hand is really shiny. Okay guys, so we are in day 3 now. 3 days of this. So I want to show you guys my progress and sort of where I'm at with the organization system. If you guys have any recommendations, leave them in the comment section, but I'll update you guys in a couple of weeks once I sort of figure this out. Also, we'll be doing a whole bunch of specific declutters on certain areas like foundations or primers or whatever, so stay tuned for that content as well. But we're gonna start over here so you can see, look at, got the labels going on. Ooh. That took a really long time to do. And then I have my baskets here. This one is currently filled with makeup that needs to be sorted and put away, but I put it here and just I'm pretending that it's already sorted. It's fine. It's totally good. But in these two down here, I have my palettes, so my drugstore and high-end palettes. I think I'll probably do another declutter on this, but that was a good starting point. And again, all of my video ideas and stuff, they're all put away, as well as perfumes and lashes. And then down here, I have my high-end, my like online that I don't know yet. And I also don't know yet. For some reason, this is both, these are both, no. This needs to go in here. What am I doing, Rachel? There we go. See? Gotta leave some space for drugstore. And then over here, I have this unit. Honestly, this is mostly empty now, which is pretty awesome. I mean, up here I have some of my filming equipment, just like cameras and batteries and stuff like that. Not super exciting. But all of these drawers, they're all completely empty. I said, they're all completely empty. Like a, hey! So I haven't really figured out what I'm gonna do with this yet. We're not getting rid of it. I'm gonna keep it here, but I don't know what is gonna go in here. So if you have some thoughts, let me know.
Maybe get rid of it. Yeah, that's a good idea. You should get rid of it.
And then down here is where I actually have to do a lot of decluttering. So drugstore and high-end primers, all this stuff. Like who is using this many concealers? Oh my gosh, I need to close this. This is really embarrassing. So I'll do specific declutters on all of these different areas. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. Okay, over here, this is where all of my like everyday makeup is. So makeup I'm either testing out or products that I really love and want to use over and over again. They all go into these drawers. So that is something I also need. Look. Oh, this is so embarrassing. So these are all areas that I need to do more decluttering on, but I think I made a ton of progress over here. I want to do specific videos on certain areas and kind of show you guys and highlight the products that I absolutely love and I use over and over again. And yeah, that's sort of where I'm sitting at. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions, any recommendations. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful or just entertaining, or you're just embarrassed for me and the amount of makeup that I hoard. But thank you so much for watching. Check out the videos over here if you want to see some more stuff that has been going on RachhLoves, or also RachhLoves Life, you know, in case you are not up to date on that. And that's everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah!